Hey there, Justin from Blaze. When you're leveraging the power of Blaze to generate and schedule out lots of content quickly, you'll find yourself typing in the same information repeatedly. Snippets are a great tool to use to address this very challenge. They allow you to store and recall information that you want to regularly use when generating content. If this video ends up helping you at all, give it a like so other Blaze users can find it too. Before we get started, you're going to want to make sure that snippets are enabled for your workspace. To do this, go to your workspace, then go to Settings. Under your workspace name, go to General, then make sure the Snippets feature is turned on. Now you can return to the home page. To access and create snippets, go to Brand Kits, and then you'll see the Snippets section underneath your Brand Kits. Click New Snippet to start the process of creating one. Blaze will show you the 6 different categories of snippets that you can create. Remember, you can create multiple snippets in each category. The categories are General, Service or Product Description, Company Info, Avoid List, Keywords, and Audience. Go ahead and review each of the categories and select the one that works best for you. For me, I have some tags that I like to use for many of my social media posts and blogs, so I'm going to go ahead and create a keywords snippet. Give your snippet a name. I'm going to call mine Urban Roasters General Keywords. Then you're going to want to enter in the information in the text box down below. I'm just going to go ahead and paste in my keywords, but you're going to want to make sure that when you do this, that your keywords are separated with a comma. Okay, perfect. Now down below at the bottom of the window, you can select to make this the default snippet for keywords. This is great if you have multiple keywords and you just want to have your general keywords available first. Once you're happy with your snippet, click Create Snippet. Okay, so now you'll see the snippet added to the list with some information related to the type of snippet, who created it, etc. Now let's get over to using them. I'm going to go ahead and create a blog post really quick using a Blaze Wizard. I'm going to go ahead and enter in a prompt. This doesn't really matter. We're just going to demonstrate this. Then I'm going to go ahead and ask Blaze to autofill the rest. Now, down in the keywords section, you'll notice that the snippet that we just created appears at the bottom, and you can add them in with just one click. That's it. Remember, you can use snippets all over Blaze. Anywhere you find yourself typing the same information over and over again is going to be a great candidate to be made into a snippet. So create and use them whenever possible. Also, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can stay up to date on all the ways that Blaze can help you grow your business.